So ended the video. We're a little clumsy right now. Okay, so I showed mine.
This one has little necklace beads in it.
Yeah.
It's kind of the same thing.
Is this.
It keeps on falling.
Some beads keep on falling, but that's okay because they're removable and yeah. But also, we'll film us at Putt-Putt and stuff.
Maybe if we have time.
We probably will. I'll probably just bring my camera. And
I forgot which one we did. Okay, these. The next one is this.
That one I played with so much, it just...
What is this one? It has a little chicken on it. If you find this,
It's at Target for $1. And they're super big. On camera, it looks so tiny. But they are jumbo-sized freaking Easter eggs.
It's really green. It's really green.
Yeah,
Okay,
but it's actually yellow, but it's just...
But it's green.
Yeah.
I'm not kidding. It's green.
Like,
I think you can get it any color.
Yeah, you can get pink, blue, all those kind of colors.
Whoever likes pink, you can get
So,
pink.
we're going to show these ones. These ones are from Walmart, and these came 2 in a pack. So, there's pink with glitter and yellow with glitter. She's going to show this one.
Yes. I love glitter. We can do it at the same time. Oh my god, I love some of this.
So, here's
Can I
ours.
have a bit of this for you?
Yes, a little bit.
Yay. Sorry,
But where are
we
you
did
gonna
that.
put it?
We just love slime. So this one is...
We've had such a hard time finding one. So, mine's pink.
I'll find something at my house. So this is the same thing, but it's yellow with sparkles. Your octavial calls are black. Blah, blah. There it is.
We're not going to be showing all my slimes because I already did a slime collection. Yeah, she just hasn't. But, again, check out her YouTube channel. Maybe she'll make a slime video.
I'm gonna make some at my house.
Yeah, so I will comment down below. We'll both comment down below or in the
I might
description.
make one today. You never know. My username is comment. I mean, really. Now comment.
Like comment.
Okay, I have some of this. It is slime with a dinosaur bone in it.
It's so cool.
Look, you have to search. And look, she got a long neck.
Yeah,
I had a triceratops.
I think
and a
mine's like
Spinosaurus.
giraffe or dinosaurs.
It's a dinosaur.
I know, but it's like I think it looks like a giraffe dinosaur.
It's not a giraffe. Look, it's a little bone dinosaur.
It's like cute, but
It's bone.
scary.
It's scary. So if little kids don't like dinosaurs and they like
Then
scary,
you might not want to buy this or show this video to them.
it's really scary.
Yeah. Or rewind this video to a different part.
Okay, I'm just gonna put
Let's
this
quit
back.
talking now. Let's get to the next
You
one.
do the next one. I'm trying to get the dinosaur back in.
This one is actually a color putty, so it's kind of hard. I just gotta add water. And
That's
yeah,
what
it's
I
pink.
do.
It's really pretty though.
Yeah, but if we messed up a little, it's okay.
Yeah.
We
We'll
can-
make a part 2 because this is part 2 of it. So that's my homemade slime. I got it.
Don't laugh so hard. Okay, guys. This little piece of planet putty fell in my hand.
That's yours.
No.
You played with yours over there. I played with mine over there. That's yours. You want more in yours or not? Gosh.
Why'd you put mine over there? Okay.
Because
This time it's like this time it's called.
cool ooze.
It's hard to get it on camera. Okay, it's this. It's kind of.
Yeah, we got this one from Five Below for $1.
It's like in a science thing.
We
so
showed
you'll
this
find
one.
it. No, we didn't.
Yes, we did. At the beginning of the video.
I showed mine.
Oh, yeah.
It's the same thing. It's
Yeah.
kind of black.
But mine's more
Black. It starts out in a rainbow. So
Oh,
you
also, guys, tell us in the comments below if you want me and her to do some funny Vine videos.
we can do funny videos.
And then I will do what's on my iPhone, and she'll do what's on her phone. She don't have an
Mine's
iPhone.
messed up. Mine's messed up, so guys. I'm just
But
saying.
it's, at least it's a phone. You know, she's been wanting a phone.
My mom's gonna buy me another one in 4th grade.
So,
We have
pause this.
more.
Yeah, hang on.
It will pause.
So, guys, hang on. Don't show that yet. So, also, this is my next door neighbor. if you're wondering who this is, she's not my sister or anything. She's just one of my friends. We look nothing like. Stand up. And what? Stand up. She's tiny and she's in 3rd grade. But, you know, that's how she was. She was born to be tiny, and yeah.
Yeah, we'll stand in the background. We're kind of the same height, but she's kind of bigger.
I'm taller. And there's this boy at school, and his name is Ethan D. Ethan Durham.
He's kind of the same height.
He is so tiny. I could touch the top of the white part at school, and he couldn't. He was like, "Oh, I got it!" And I didn't even have to stand on
You're
stool.
making fun of him.
No.
Yes, you are.
He already knows. He already knows I do that.
You did not see nothing.
She's mean. We're both mean to each other. That's what best friends do.
Don't kiss me.
We're not.
Pause. We're pausing this.
Just pause it. Okay, and also if you want us to do a best friend tag, we'll do that. We're just gonna be asking questions. You guys tell
Here's some
me.
yellow. Here's some yellow, and we have a green one. I had to blur it.
Okay.
Oh, we have more still.
We're not showing all of them.
Yes, we are.
I already did my slime.
Please.
Okay,
I want to do more.
and we're probably gonna do all of our videos in this room, and then whenever we do it at her house,
It's
we'll do
not
it.
coming out.
I know it's hard.
Sorry, guys.
Let's pause this. Okay, while I get this out for her, she's gonna show
It's
you
so
guys
hard.
that one.
Okay, it's like a toilet. So if you find these, like at Target,
I got sour candy flesh, and that's what I use it for. It's like a little container.
and it's kind of weird. It's hard, but it's kind of fun.
It's
like
soft, but it's hard because it's silly
like
putty.
silver.
I
Like it's like this. You can stretch it and do anything you want. But
So
it's
this
like a
is-
toilet.
This is also jiggly slime.
It's kind of mine. It's kind of the same thing. I said it's kind of.
I'm the one that had it first, but this is also fart sometimes, but you have to like break it down into pieces.
Okay.
You just show them some slime while I put this back.
Oh, this smells so good. And it's
Could
kinda
I use
squishy.
this hand soap? Peach. The necklace got stuck on it. Peach.
Okay, look. It's kind
Oh my
of
gosh, it's on my
so
phone.
glittery because she put glitters in it.
Yep. Glittery life right now.
It's called Dodo.
No, that's just the container I put it in.
Oh, what's it called then? People
It's-
want to know.
That one's called butter slime.
Wait, which one is this?
That's to the lid to this.
Mine.
Parts. Put it in here.
Never.
Gracie. Let me see this. She's mean.
You have to fight.
Thanks.
I love this kind. She's gonna give me some.
Yeah, we're gonna buy some at Walmart.
No, you don't. Give me some of these. If you don't, I'll beat you up.
Well, this weekend we'll just wait. So this weekend you can get both of them.
I don't care.
Both full. So no. Okay, but just not right now. Okay, not on camera.
Hey guys, wait! I need to show you something.
Oh, here's our bags. This is her bag to put her slime in. And this is obviously my bag. You
Wait,
slime.
you're giving me that bag?
Yes.
Okay.
So you can put your slime in it.
Wait. I will be.
Yeah, we'll be right back. Hey guys, it's me, and today I'm doing a slime video.
We were just trying to be funny.
Yeah,
It's just a story.
I was talking. I was like, "Hey guys, it's me." His name's Tyler.
No,
He's creepy.
he just stares at you in your sleep.
She is a doll. If you want us to do a story time video about our ghosts,
I
then
don't
we'll
have
do
a
that.
ghost. It's not a ghost. I was just playing tricks.
You weren't.
I was actually.
I was too. But Shelby was lying about it.
This didn't close.
This isn't close. Come here.
What time is it?
I don't know. But your mom didn't call yet.
Bye.
No, not yet, guys. So, we're going to do one last slime. So you pick one last
Or
slime.
we could do something else if you guys want. Comment down below.
And also, hit that subscribe button and
Peace out.
no, not yet. I still have to tell them something. But also, tell me in the comments below if you want us to do more videos together. I mean, we can. Bye. Peace.
Peace out.
Out.
Suckers.
Peace out, J House.